Why do 70% of crypto enthusiasts feel uneasy sending their assets to exchanges? All right, crypto warriors, first things first, double-check the address. Seems obvious, but one typo and your funds are in the void. Scary, right? Next, let's talk about network fees. Choose the right network. It's like picking the fastest lane on the highway without the toll booths. But here's the kicker. Always enable two-factor authentication. It's like having a bouncer for your digital wallet. All right, you're almost there. Just one final crucial step. Before hitting send, do a test run with a small amount. It's like dipping your toes in the pool before diving in. So, what's the best way to send crypto to Binance? Triple check details, choose smart networks, secure with 2FA, and test the waters. Now hit that like button if you're ready to trade smarter, not harder. And don't forget to subscribe for more savvy tips to keep your wallet happy. Remember, in the world of crypto, wisdom is wealth. Stay sharp, stay rich.